Alright, so we've been talking about a lot of about techniques, about violin stuff na kung paano bumili, ganyan. But we haven't talked about another side of it, no? So, I wanted to share with you some of my own experiences and how I got to a point where I've been comfortable with my skills, okay? So, lahat naman tayo, di ba? Lahat ng gustong matuto has that willingness na, to do it, di ba? So, everyone is willing. Lahat naman ng gusto, 'di ba? Lahat ng tao na gusto mag-violin, gusto ko mag-violin, ganyan. Gagawin ko lahat, sasabihin nila ganyan. But kaya ba talaga, 'di ba? So sometimes we don't think about it, but it really is a sacrifice in a way, no? It's an inconvenience for some maybe. And that's really, there's really no shortcut no? You have to have the consistency and discipline, no? Yun yung dalawa sa pinaka-importanting kailangan mo. Okay. Yung willingness kasi, lahat naman willing but are you able to put in the work? Yun yung mas importanting tanong. Okay? So, walang gumagaling sa dito na hindi nagpa-practice. Yan ang kailangan nating tandaan. Na walang musician na gumaling na hindi hinawakan yung instrumento nila at nagtrabaho. So, every single day of their lives, they put in the work, no? Hindi ko naman sinasabi na yun lang ang gagawin kasi even the great musicians will tell you, some people nga, I forgot who said it, but I think it's Bernstein ba or someone. Sabi niya, you only need to practice like 3 to 5 hours a day. Sagad na yon. Because you still need to be human. But again, every day dapat ginagawa mo, no? So, sasabihin ng iba, grabe naman, wala na ako ibang gagawin kundi mag-practice. Well, that's the price you have to pay in order to become a better musician. Okay, sa mga beginners ba, kailangan din ng ganitong klase ng dedication? Not really. But the consistency of doing it every day builds a habit. Diba? Sabi nga ni James Clear, you need at least 90 days to form a habit para hindi mahirapan ka nang i-break din yung habit na yan. So, ganun din yung kailangan mo, no? You need to do it every day. Pasok mo sa routine mo, pasok mo sa schedule mo in order for you to be good, no? Ay sabi nga nila, motivation is it fades, no? Hindi ka niyan matutulungan kapag mahirap na. Kasi once you're not motivated, pag nahirapan ka na, medyo mawawalan ka na ng motivation, mapanghihinaan ka ng loob. What you need to grasp onto is your ability to do it even when it's not ideal, no? Which is why we have to be disciplined. Yung disiplina sa sarili, kailangan talaga. Sabi nga ng prof ko before, para kang pumasok sa military. Araw-araw gigising ka, araw-araw gagawin mo paulit-ulit na training, 'di ba? Pero habang ginagawa mo 'yun, you might not see the improvement yet. Pero dahil consistent ka, mararamdaman mo na lang yan magugulat ka na lang. Isang araw pag gising mo, everything locks into place, everything clicks, everything is right where they need to be, 'di ba? Gumaling ka na. Pero hindi mo makikita yan kung sa pang araw-araw na ginagawa mo. And that is the fun in it actually. That's the journey of how a musician gets better, 'di ba? Kasi kung walang hardship or struggle, hindi rin magiging meaningful or fruitful yung ginagawa natin, no? So a lot of people say na magpapagaling sila ganyan. Of course, hindi mo rin magagawa without proper instruction. So kailangan yung instruction ng teacher mo i-apply mo sa pang-araw-araw na ginagawa mo sa instrumento mo, 'di ba? So it all boils down to that. Kahit gaano ka ka-willing, kahit magbayad ka ng sobrang mahal, kung hindi ka naman magtatrabaho, no? Hindi ka magpuput in ng hours in the practice room, you won't put in the work, no? You won't think about it, You won't do the exercises, puro ka pyesa. Wala, hindi. You have to do the boring stuff because the boring stuff, sabi nga, once you get bored, dun pa lang yung time na pumapasok siya sa sistema mo. Kaya ka nabobore kasi nagiging consistent ka na. It's also a part of leveling up, diba? When you get too comfortable, dun yung time na, okay, I need to go to do more. Makakagawa na ako ng mas mahirap kasi komportable na ako. I'm comfortable with my playing. So, pwede na ako mag-add ng another technique. Baka sakali, makapag-vibrato ka na, no? For example. But anyway, at the end of the day, kailangan talaga ng hard work, discipline. No, you don't really need as much motivation. Kasi if you rely on motivation to do or put in the work, mabilis ka lang din mawawalan ng motivation and mabilis mo lang din sasabihin na ayoko na. No? You quit easily if you rely on motivation. It has to be within you. Talagang yung hard work and discipline. No? It doesn't take, yun nga, laging sinasabi, when it comes to practice time, akala ng iba, buong araw. Yes, kung ine-enjoy mo, kung na-enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo, tuloy-tuloy mo lang. Pero pag may kailangan ka pang gawin, di ba? If we're living in a perfect world na wala tayo ibang iniisip kundi music making lang, I think we would all do that the same, no? Na yun lang gagawin natin. But we have to pay bills. We have to commit with other people. We have to maintain relationships, di ba? So lahat yan, pagiging tao. But you have to make sure kung papasukin mo to, no, kahit magbayad ka ng mahal na teacher, you have to put in time, effort, and actually integrate music making into your schedule. Kasi kung gagawin mo lang siya pag feeling mo hindi ka busy, wala, hindi ka gagaling, hindi ka mag-i-improve. Because most of the movements nga na ginagawa natin can only be done while you are playing. Okay? So, tanungin mo rin yung sarili mo, can I commit to this level of commitment na kailangan kong mag-practice, na kailangan kong intindihin yung ginagawa ko outside of the lessons, no? Kasi akala diba, basta nag-lesson, okay na. Hindi. Ikaw pa rin na magtatrabaho. 90% of the things that you accomplish is because you did the work. Yung 10% na instruction, yes, mahalaga siya. Pero kung hindi ikaw ang magtatrabaho, hindi naman yung teacher mo ang tumutugtog, ikaw. So kung gusto mo gumaling, you have to apply a lot of hard work. You have to endure a lot of challenges. But it's a very wonderful journey, diba? It's a lifelong journey that helps build your character. And that's what music gives us all. Ayan. So kung mag-aaral ka na, good luck sa'yo. Comment down below if you wanna see more.